Hey, what's up, furniture nerds? Welcome to another episode of Flat Packs Exposed, the unboxing series, brought to you by Prime Spaces. Today we're going to be unboxing the Meble Furniture EVA K modern 71-inch TV stand. Make sure to watch all the way to the end because not only are you going to see exactly what you get upon opening the box, but we're also going to share with you our step-by-step assembly video showing you how to put it together, as well as our full and complete product review telling you everything there is to know about the TV stand. Real quick, make sure to like this video and subscribe to join our tribe. And so now, let's get straight into the unboxing. Here is box 1 of 3. Cut the outer plastic ties that secure the box. The ties are pretty heavy duty, so you'll need a pair of cutting pliers or scissors to cut them. Here are the reinforced cardboard edge protectors, used to protect the edges of the box. These are very sturdy, very strong, and very hard to break or penetrate. Here are the protective styrofoam sheets used to pad the top of the box. These 2 styrofoam sheets cover the entire length of the box and can be used as a safe surface to assemble parts on later on. Here is the middle shelf of the TV stand. Here is the front base panel of the TV stand, which sort of acts as a toe kick. Here are some polyfoam sheets that are layered in between the middle shelf that we just unboxed and the parts beneath it. Here is the high gloss top panel. This panel top is protected by a plastic film. Although you see me removing it here, it's actually a pretty good idea to remove it after the assembly is complete. Box 1 of 3 is complete, so you can place the packaging back inside for now. Here is box 2 of 3. It is also secured with plastic ties and reinforced cardboard edge protectors. Here is the instruction manual for the assembly. Here is the hardware box. Here are the 2 side panels of the TV stand. And here are the 2 middle panels of the TV stand. Here are the 2 high gloss cabinet doors. Similar to the top panel, the cabinet doors are protected by a plastic film, and it's a good idea to keep the plastic film on to protect the gloss material during the assembly. Here are 4 small base panels that connect with the long front base panel that we unboxed earlier. Here are the 2 rear panels of the TV stand. Here are the 3 top panel supports. Here is the center glass shelf. Here is the bottom panel of the TV stand. Box 2 of 3 is complete, so we can place the packaging back inside. Here's a quick look at the protective foam padding used to protect the top and bottom sides of the box. Here are the different bags of hardware. Here are the cabinet door hinges. Here are the fastener hardware, meaning screws, cam locks and bolts, etc. Here are the door hinge screws. Make sure to use these specifically when attaching the cabinet door hinges. And here are the LED light hardware. Here's a quick look at all the hardware bags. Here's the fastener hardware after being organized. There are a total of 4 door hinges. Included in the LED hardware are the lights, receiver, and power adapter. And here is a look at the LED light remote control. If you enjoyed this unboxing, then please subscribe to the channel and help us reach our goal of 1 million subscribers. If you want to learn how to put this item together, then there will be a link to our step-by-step video assembly guide either on, below, or in the description of this video for you to follow along. If you want to watch our full, detailed review of this item, then there will also be a link either on, below, or in the description of this video for you to learn more. And for other resources regarding this item and where to buy it, check below this video or in the description.